If you want to protect your Hostinger account and make sure your login is much more secure, then in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable 2FA in Hostinger step by step. This is one of the easiest ways to add an extra layer of security to your account, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Whether you manage a website, hosting plan, or multiple client accounts, turning on two-factor authentication is a smart move that can help keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where Hostinger keeps your personal account settings and security options. After that, from the profile menu, go ahead and open security. On the security page, you'll see different account protection settings, and this is where we need to focus on two-factor authentication. Now look for two-factor authentication, sometimes shown as 2FA. This feature adds a second verification step when someone tries to access your account, which means even if your password is compromised, your account is still much harder to break into. Once you find the 2FA section, select email verification as the method. Hostinger will then use your email address to send you a verification code whenever needed. After choosing that option, click Enable to start the process. At this point, Hostinger will send a code to your email inbox, so switch over to your email account and look for the message from Hostinger. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it was filtered there. Copy the code from the email, come back to Hostinger, and enter the code into the verification field. Then click Confirm to finish activating 2FA. Once that's done, your two-factor authentication is now enabled, and your Hostinger account has an extra level of security turned on. From now on, this added verification step will help protect your account whenever Hostinger requires it. It's a very small setup process, but it makes a big difference for account safety. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials, website tips, and easy tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.